and welcome to another episode of Historically Marked. I am Jason, and I am just in western Arizona in the middle of the mountains, out in the middle of nowhere seemingly. But I am on historic Route 66, and I am just outside the Cool Springs station. There's a marker here, and lots to see on the outside and maybe the inside. And maybe I'll just grab a snack or two. But really interesting place, and of course the scenery is beautiful, as you can already tell. So I'll just go ahead and show you around. Here we go. And here is the marker. It's kind of hidden, but not really. So what's it say? Sitting on the eastern slope of the Black Mountains is the site of Cool Springs, an important life-saving water source for the desert native tribes of Mojave and Hualapai Indians. In the 1850s, Lieutenant Ned Beale and his camel brigade used this site for watering the U.S. Army horses and camels. In the 1920s, the automobile on Route 66 helped establish the need for a gas and water station. Cool Springs' rebirth as a stop-off for travelers visiting from around the globe reminds us of our heritage and motoring past and present. Revered site by Native Americans and forever appreciated by present-day adventurers, may the memories be honored forever. So this was originally established by Floyd and Ada Speidel in the late 1940s. During the good old days of Route 66, it was a stop on the road before facing the tough, winding climb across the Black Mountains towards Sitgreaves Pass. But by 1952, well, hello, kitty. But by 1952, this place fell into disrepair. By that time, Route 66 parted ways as it went through Yucca, Arizona. But in 1997, Ned Leutner bought the building, restored it, and opened in 1994. And I'll just go ahead and show you. This is Squaw Mountain behind it. Oh man, really cool, really peaceful. I mean, this is stuff I can't see at home. That's why I'm like really raving about all these mountain views. It's a great 360 view all around. And now if you're going to continue on Route 66, that's going to go and take you through Sitgreaves Pass. There's going to be at least lots of windy, like, you know, and then you end up in Oatman, Arizona. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look around here, so follow me. So as you can see, there's a lot of great stuff to buy. Rocks and a lot of these. Dinosaur. Coasters. Flags. Old tin signs. Oh, these look pretty cool. I'm not in. Looks like an old outhouse. Well, hello, kitty. About scared me there. Desert Rose.
And Mick Jagger sings up there because he sang the Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Oh, okay. Chuck Berry did, and so did Nat King Cole and many others. They got a gold record because, you know, the Rolling Stones, Route 66. Oh, an autograph photo too. Now, Universal Soldier was filmed here. So obviously, Jean-Claude Van Damme was here. I mentioned him in the previous Kingman episode. And then Dolph Lundgren too. And then this is the scene where they blew up that building, our claim to fame. But a lot of cool history about this building. Still a lot more souvenirs. Unreal. Jewelry. A biker Betty Boop. Nice. I want to look around here real quick.
All right.
Kitty, I swear, if we're going to cross paths again. Shirts. So yeah, you will definitely find something to buy, very likely. So I gotta see what the shirt says. Okay, 191 turns, 8 miles, no guardrails. Yep, that's what I'll be experiencing very soon once I leave this place. The Sidewinder. So before you get to Cool Springs, I mean, you see this really lush mountain scenery, and then you have this rest stop. So if you need to take a potty break, do so. Okay, obviously it's a joke, but I thought it was a really cool roadside relic. All right, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Historically Marked. I am Jason at the Cool Springs Station, just outside Kingman and Oatman, Arizona. So I am Jason, signing off. Stay tuned for more Route 66 videos, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.